Hello everyone, are you tired of spending hours and hours of studying to forget it all the next day during the exam? Don't worry, I also face the same problem. I have learned some techniques which help me to retain things that I have actually learned. So I have written down these techniques and strategies so you can watch till the end to find out how. So the first go-to study technique that I also use, this is called the active recall. Active recall is very good. So in this technique, you just have to read something from your notebook or book, and then you have to put your hand on it, and then you have to remember it about that what I have read about, and you have to repeat it. This acts as an exercise for your brain and helps you remember things. This has actually worked out a lot for me personally. So spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a technique in which you break down your study sessions into parts. Using this technique, you are likely to remember what you have learned instead of forgetting it. It builds strong connections to your material and you are less likely to forget it. Third technique is intermixing. In this technique, you mix up subjects. For example, once you study maths for 1 hour, then science for 1 hour, then social for 1 hour, and then the other subjects. If you study one subject continuously for 3 hours, then your mind will become very cramming and heavy, and you will not be able to remember anything. Elaboration. Fourth technique is elaboration. Elaboration is a technique in which you try to elaborate everything that you have learned about a specific topic. For example, you are studying about mitochondria. Then you will ask your brain, what is mitochondria? What is its function? How does it work? Etc. These might feel like a little extra work, but remember, your brain works on basis of connections. So do it. So give these tips a try and let me know how does it work for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel as it helps me a lot. So bye bye guys.